girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Welcome. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Wow. Babe, where did you get this money?
You know, I said I can do anything for you. You know, I love you unconditionally.
Thank you.
Anything for you.
This is the best birthday ever.
Oh, thank you very much. Come on.
Wow, it's so fine. And my favorite color. Oh, baby, thank you.
I love it. Babe, I'm happy that you love this cake.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Come on, babe. Oh, yeah, let's cut the cake.
Ooh.
Yes, let's cut the cake. Yes.
Spelling of love.
The feeling of love, then we cut the cake.
Okay.
Come L O V and E. Happy birthday. Come on. That one I'm pulling.
Wow, so nice.
Babe, the cake is just so sweet, just like you.
You're such a sweet guy.
Hello, my guy.
Last one, how you doing now?
I just did.
Yeah, see, I want to align one serious matter with you, yes. Tomorrow, na my serious girlfriend birthday. Yes, I want to surprise her. After the surprise, I will engage her immediately.
I go deal with you now. I go turn up. I go deal with you.
Yeah, thank you.
I just need to celebrate my girl birthday. I just need to surprise her.
Serious?
Oh yeah, now I go enter correct. Hey, Baba, you too much. Wait, bro. What are you see so?
Hey, na the car when I want to give my girl for her birthday this one.
How the car be this?
I can surprise. How you put balloon?
Hey, Sama. When I celebrate my girlfriend birthday now, only cake I give her.
Hey, level that one.
That's what was also reach this level. Baba, if your girlfriend see her, your girlfriend go like her.
She go like her, me?
Yes, now.
I will like it. Now I call you, me. You just call me, you motivate me. Yeah, so.
I'll make sure say she surprised. Oh. Bro, you know what Bino? Go call your girlfriend and come outside. Go call her now. I didn't hand the wait you.
Come on.
Yeah.
Hey. How did you what?
Just go.
Babe.
Just go now. Don't worry, you soon get it.
Babe, what do you want to show me? Now I don't like surprises.
Don't worry, it's your birthday. Don't worry, you will like this one. This one you will like. It's your birthday, girl.
Babe.
Alright, we'll just wait. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday! Babe! Yes!
What's going on here?
Now see you are give this gas birthday gift.
Yes!
Now my girlfriend when I celebrate her birthday yesterday, now when I say I gather money for service, go to buy a birthday cake. Now she be this now.
My babe of 3 years?
Babe, wait, so you get this kind guy? So the guy who fresh past me, get money past me, get car, get house, get money. Wait, what do you even call see for my body? When come say you see they follow me for that my local place.
You're the one I love. I'm just using you to catch cruise.
Cruise?
I'm following him because he gives me money. He has the money to give me now. And you know, because of peer pressure, see my friends now, see the way they are living, see things that they are buying. But him now, he takes care of me. He makes me to have the standard just as my friends. But you don't have anything to give to me now. But I know that you have bright future. That's why I'm sticking with you.
Oh, babe, you get this kind of fine dress. Look at your hair. Why you gotta wear this kind of local clothes? They come with you for my house, my location.
Because I don't want you to feel bad. I want to come to your level, and I don't want you to feel intimidated. Because I love you.
You say you love? I can't take this. I can't stand this anymore. In fact, I'm taking my car away. What nonsense?
Huh? Are you taking my baby car away?
Go and meet your father to give you baby car.
Please, I'm coming with you. We are still together. Please wait for me.
Yeah!
Baby, even you.
You know you're the name you call me, baby. I never reached to handle you. Goodbye.
See what my greed has led me to now.